Hello, kids. I'm Kiki. I'm Quacky the Quacking Duckling. Quacky, shall we go draw together? Yeah, I love to draw. Magic cube, go! The destination is confirmed. Go! The world is so interesting. Let's go explore the mystery. This is my studio. It is my secret. This is where I create the shape elf. What is a shape elf? Is it tasty? You can't eat the shape elf. Why don't we go create a shape elf together? Sure! First, we have to draw the shape of the little elf. Follow the direction of the arrow and draw the shape. Great job! Yeah! Then, color the little elf with the color you like. After you finish coloring, tap here to confirm. Looks great! Magic cube flick. Kiki, is this the shape elf? What's it called? Let's hear its name. I am a square. I have 4 sides of the same length and 4 corners. It is a square. Shape elves can turn into many different things in life. Can you find out which one is the square elf? Not this one. Yes, that's right. Let's move on to drawing the second one. First, we have to draw the shape of the little elf. Great job! Yeah! Then, color the little elf with the color you like. Looks great! Magic cube flick. My name is Quacky. What's your name? My name is Triangle. I have 3 corners and 3 sides. I have many brothers and sisters. This, and this. They are all triangles. It is a triangle. Do you know which one is the triangle? Think about it again. Not this one. Try again. That's it. That's right. Let's move on to drawing little elf. First, we have to draw the shape of the little elf. Great job! Yeah! Then, color the little elf with the color you like. Looks great! Magic cube flick. This little elf is chubby. Kiki, what's it called? My name is Circle. I am chubby and have no corners. The wheels of the car are all circles. It is a circle. Do you know which one is the circle? Not this one. Think about it again. Not this one. Draw. Yes. That's right. Lastly, help me draw one more. First, we have to draw the shape of the little elf. Follow the direction of the arrow and... Great job! Yeah! Then, color the little elf with the color you like. Looks great! Magic cube flick! What's your name? I am a short and fat rectangle, and this is my brother, a thin and tall rectangle. It is a rectangle. Do you know which one is the rectangle? Not this one. Think about it again. Not this one. Try again. That's it. That's right. Kiki, the rectangular elf and the square elf look alike. I can't tell the difference. I will tell you the answer. Although both square and rectangle have 4 sides and 4 corners, there is something different about them. Do you know what it is? Yes! The 4 sides of a square are the same length. The sides with the same length is a square. However, 2 sides of a rectangle are longer, and the other 2 are shorter. A rectangle has long and short sides. Have you learned everything? I got it! All 4 sides of the square are the same length, but the rectangle has long and short sides. You are so smart!